In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search memories in ChatGPT. If you've saved information to help personalize your conversations, like preferences, ongoing projects, or important context, being able to quickly search those memories can save you time and help you pick up right where you left off. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Down in the bottom left corner, you'll see your profile or account icon. Click that to open your account panel. From there, choose personalization. This is where ChatGPT groups settings that tailor your experience. In this section, look for the area labeled Memory. When you see it, click Manage. That opens the page where your saved memories are organized. On the Memories page, look to the top left. You'll find a search bar there. Click into that search bar, then type keywords related to the memory you want to find. As you type, ChatGPT will filter your saved entries and show the ones that match your query. Keep your keywords simple and specific. Think of distinctive words you used when that memory was created, like a project name, a meeting topic, or a short phrase you remember using. If one word doesn't surface what you need, try a variation or a synonym. You can also use partial phrases or just the most unique term you recall. The goal is to narrow the results to the entries most likely to contain the detail you're after. If your first search is too broad, refine it by adding another term. If it's too narrow and shows nothing, remove a word and search again. Don't worry about capitalization. Search typically isn't case sensitive. And if your list feels cluttered after experimenting with a few queries, clear the search box to return to the full view of your memories. A couple of quick tips as you use this feature. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device or updates, but the path is the same. Profile at the bottom left, personalization, memory, then manage, and finally the search bar at the top left. If you don't immediately see results you expect, double-check the wording you originally used when that information was saved and try those exact terms. Also, if you've added something to memory very recently, give it a moment to sync before searching. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, go to Personalization, find Memory, select Manage, and use the search bar at the top left to locate exactly what you need. With a few well-chosen keywords, you'll find your saved context in seconds.